Roses are red, violets are blue. It's a Valentine's Day special for you. That was so stupid. Welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you're here, and it is now February. It's been February for a couple days, so I'm a little bit behind, but I am going to be talking about a special Valentine's Day experience pack. I've never done this before, but I am so excited about it because it just makes me super happy. So let's dive into what this month's special is. So what is an experience pack? I am talking about an experience pack of exogenous ketones. These are my favorite. I absolutely love this brand. It is the best on the market. It has the highest absorption rate. It has the cleanest formula. It is just everything I love about exogenous ketones in the purest way possible. So you will experience clean energy. You will experience fat burn. You'll be ketosis within 60 minutes. You will have mental focus, reduced inflammation. There are so many wonderful benefits that you can even look up for yourself. There's actually research right now that shows that exogenous ketones, when used daily on a regular basis, actually also helps with your emotional health and your anxiety levels, which how wonderful is that to be able to use something natural and clean in your system instead of some of the other things that we've been using to try to combat some of those things, right? So what these are ketone salts. It is in powder form. They are flavored, and you know, every month I usually do like a 10-day experience pack. It's all different flavors, and that is still available. However, there is no special right now going on with that. It's just a regular 10-day experience pack. Instead, this month I wanted to do a Valentine's Day special. So what happens on Valentine's Day for those of us that have Valentines or like to be our own Valentine and take care of ourselves? What do we normally do? We normally have chocolates and candy. That is Valentine's Day. When you go into every store, you see chocolates and you see candy. Now, for those of us who are on the ketogenic, low carb, keto-ish kind of lifestyle, we're not hitting up the chocolates and all the candy, right? So how can we get those flavors, feel like we're not missing out, and enjoy life, burn fat, have mental focus, all the great things we normally do? Well, that this month is in the special Valentine's Day experience pack. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. It comes in this beautiful golden package right here. Can I just tell you how much I love these golden packages? Like, imagine getting this in the mail, just a nice little brick of gold. It just brightens your day. It's so wonderful. It's beautiful. I love it. So when you get this in the mail, you will open it up and you will find the special Valentine's Day experience pack. This one is only a 5-day experience pack, so it is half of the amount of the normal monthly special, so it's more affordable, and it's also super fun. So here is what comes inside. Ooh. Okay, so what comes inside? We have chocolates and candy. And what do I mean by that? I mean, out of your 5-day, you will have a mixture of a chocolate flavor and a candy flavor. So what that means is you will be getting Swiss cacao, which you can mix in ice water, you can mix it in your coffee. My husband loves to do that. And you can also mix it in almond milk and make a great chocolate milk. And you will also be getting Heart Tart, which is one of my absolute favorites. It tastes like one of those like sweet tart candies. It's amazing. This flavor is absolutely delicious. You can mix it in ice water. You can also use flavored sparkling water with it. And it's definitely more on the tart side than the sweet side. This shakes up clear. And of course, we have one more item because it wouldn't be a special if it was just our 5 days in our 5-day experience pack. I will also be including a chocolate keto calm tea because whether you have a Valentine or not, at the end of the day, sometimes it's just nice to cuddle up with a nice warm cup of exogenous ketones and your chocolate tea and just have this before bed and have an amazing night's sleep. The Keto Calm Tea has ketones in it. It's a powder, so it mixes up more like hot chocolate than it does like an actual tea that you would have tea leaves in. It's really good. I actually put, just like a little hack tip, I put a dash or twist, depending on what you have, of sea salt in mine, and it tastes really good. So a little bit of the salt with the chocolate. So in your Valentine's Day experience pack, you will receive this beautiful gold envelope. holding all of your 5-day exogenous ketones, chocolate and candy flavor, along with a chocolate keto calm tea. Now these are while supplies last. If you wait too long and this one's gone, you will not be able to get this flavor tea, but I might be able to throw in a different flavor for you. I am super stoked. I know that you guys are going to absolutely love this. Whether you've tried ketones or not, these are great flavors, and sometimes it's wonderful to just mix it up a little bit. If you've not tried ketones and you have not become one of my customers yet, you will also, in addition to all of these awesome, delicious products, you will get access to my private Facebook community. You will get lots of information to help you. You will get some meal plans. You will get lots and loads of information. You'll be able to connect with me, and we will be able to dive into this whole thing together as a community, which is really just the best part about it. And I think which is the reason why, one of the reasons why I've been able to do this now for over a year, maintain where I was, keep my lifestyle the way that I have been, be able to enjoy date nights, be able to go out, do the things that I normally do, and not have to overthink my food at all because of these beautiful babies right here. So here is your 5-day Valentine's Day experience pack. The link to grab this for yourself will be below in the description. You can also visit carlyvoinski.com and you'll be able to find it there as well. I hope you guys have a great February. I hope that it is one that brings you lots of love, lots of joy, whether you have a Valentine or not, because listen, we've all been there where we don't, and we can be strong and fine without one, right? But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe to find out not only about great deals with experience packs, but recipes, keto tips, low carb living, all of that great stuff. Visit carlyvoinski.com. And until next time,